So again, it's sting and a burn. Just relax. We aspirate and then we go follow through.
Oh, it does hurt.
And what you guys have seen,
That's it?
it's basically now, we still gotta go. Okay, a sting and a burn, okay? It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Blood coming out. All of that is from the infection.
Is that a cause of me trying to fix this problem at home?
I think it's a sebaceous cyst that got infected. So, anyways, we're gonna proceed. We're gonna take the packing out, and there may be a little bit of pain involved with this. So. So it's best. Let's finish this up, okay? Just a tiny bit of the gauze is in, so it's, or actually it's out. We're done.
No.
We're done.
Okay.
We're done, and that